everyone, my name is Madonna and I'm part of Sephora Squad. Today's video I'm going to show you how to enhance your own natural lashes without putting on falsies. This is great for anyone who doesn't want to use falsies, they hate using falsies, and for some reason mascara just doesn't work. But I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to maximize your products, your tools, so that you can make sure that your lashes blossom to their fullest potential. So for reference, I have really short lashes. They don't really curl. It's almost like they're non-existent in my opinion, but I know they're not. Like, I know I have lashes there. I just gotta use like the right tools and the right type of products in order to make them look like they're there, make them look longer. One of my favorite products I like to use to enhance my lashes is this one from Grande Cosmetics. This is the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. This is a lash enhancing serum that promotes the appearance of longer, thicker looking lashes. You'll see results around 4 to 6 weeks, and it is a 3-month supply. Product that I actually like to do like at night with my skincare routine. I'm gonna put some on right now, like why not, you know, gonna enhance my lash a little bit. Okay, so the next product that I like to use is a lash curler. I mean, I know this is a little intimidating, but this is a tool that helps curl your lashes. That way when you are putting on mascara, your lashes are already standing up, because some of us have lashes that just kind of grow down and they don't have a curl to them. So a tool like this can help just curl them. You can purchase any lash curler that is sold at Sephora. They have a really nice one from Shiseido. That one is so good. Basically, what you want to do is like into the hole, like look into that. You're going to place it on top of your lid, and then very slowly and very carefully close to pretty much latch onto your upper lashes. And you're gonna just squeeze slowly and for as long as you like. You don't have to squeeze for so long. You don't have to squeeze super tight either, but just tight enough that you know that the curler is holding on to the hairs. And then you let go, and you can see a difference. They're now lifted up. You can kind of see the hairs right above the lid, while here you like, where are they? This is literally the only thing that will make your lashes look like they're thicker and fuller, because we're gonna create the illusion that everything down here is just more full and filled. This is tight lined. This is the One Size by Patrick Starrr Point Made 24-Hour Gel Pencil Liner, and this is in the color Bodacious Black. You're gonna make sure that this is sharpened. The easiest way to do this is to have a mirror, kind of like a magnifying mirror, and you're going to look down, because you're going to have to see where this liner is going. So if you were doing this, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult versus looking down and being able to see all that empty space right in between the roots of your lashes as well as the waterline. I like that it's waterproof because some of us are very teary-eyed, and this is perfect. It's not gonna smudge and fall onto, you know, your makeup. We don't want that. So we want something that is bulletproof, and this eyeliner is exactly that. Like, this is so good for this type of technique. The reason why I'm doing it on the bottom of my lashes is because once you put it on top, what happens is that you could accidentally create like a really thick line, and if you're someone with already shorter, thinner lashes, it's going to hide your lashes from appearing. No matter how much mascara you put on, if you put on a thick line behind the lashes, it's just gonna make them disappear. So that's why I say to go underneath, so that you kind of get it at the root, because we want the root to look dark, and that's what makes your hairs, and that's what makes your lash line look fuller. You can kind of see the difference now a little bit. You can see that it's a little bit fuller. Here you can kind of see that there's, you know, it's not as dark, so you can't really see the lashes. But here it just looks like I have a little bit more. So for mascara, I'm using the bareMinerals Strength and Length serum infused mascara. What I like about this one is that it is lengthening, it is really dark, really black, and this also helps grow your lashes. So if you're in that phase where you want to grow your lashes, this is a good mascara to use, so it doesn't weigh you down and it kind of gives you like a lengthening look. And then in about 6 weeks you'll see a difference in your lash growth. What the wand looks like, I really like this because you can use one side to kind of like put the product on, and then the other side to comb it through your lash. So I'm going to use a flat side to just kind of put the product on, and I do this at the root. So I'm just gonna push it back and add the product at the root. So I'm not combing through the lashes, I'm just pushing it in. And then I'm gonna switch on over to the side where it has the bristles and start combing through the product. And this was gonna make it like that effect where they're longer. Most lengthening lashes are kind of like in this type of bristle where it's just lengthening, they're separating. But what I really like about this one is that you can kind of make them look a little bit volumizing because you can use the flat side to add more product. We're going to add on some mascara at the bottom because this is how you make your lashes look fuller if you just don't let the bottom lashes kind of disappear. If you just add some more, it gives more definition on the eyes. And because this mascara is serum infused and it's supposed to help grow your lashes, why not add some of that to the lower lashes? This is what my lashes look like. They look a little bit fuller, they look a little longer, and in a few weeks they're going to be healthier and longer because I just use products that are going to help them grow. That is it for today's tutorial. Let me know what you think about my lash techniques in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up and give this channel a follow. Thank you so much for having me here again, and I will see you guys on the next one.